What's up, internet? Back again today. We're gonna do some tidying of this disaster we got going on in my garage because we're gonna test fit this 5.3 today. Put the engine and trans together. It's on the floor, and do some test fitting. Maybe weld some motor mounts in that we got, and we'll go from there. Back again. Got the garage all organized. Changed for the car so we have room to use the engine hoist. We put these Stellar Helix engine mounts in. Got them for wicked cheap on Amazon. And when Lane gets here, we're gonna test fit this bad boy and see what we need to cut and adjust to make this fit in that beast right there. There we go. Okay. I guess I can come back a little bit.
Heat wrap piece of pipe.
Yeah.
But you have to heat wrap the fuck out of it because you're going to be running it right here.
Yeah.
And then you just do the turbo. However you can fit it up there.
Yeah, there's lots of room. If we put it there and commit, like, do you think that's too far forward for the trans? How's it like? I guess we're gonna just have to, like, cause it's pretty good with the oil pan down there.
Yeah, it's back a bit from right here. And that's pretty much where you need to be.
Yeah, if right there we can use those mounts.
That should clear.
You can give that side a kick over. There we go. So we're having an issue with fitment so far with the power steering pump.
Apparently you can't use truck accessories on a car.
Yep, I know. I'm gonna pull it off and see how it fits without. We're just trying to see how these engine mounts are gonna work in this car. I'm gonna have to do some fabbing, but we're getting there. So we're back. Today's Wednesday, my dudes. And yesterday, we just stopped, went and had dinner, and didn't do an outro, didn't do nothing, just left it. So, engine's back out. We're gonna put the trans on,
Back
and
in,
then test fit.
finalize mounts, test fit, and make sure everything's good, and then getting the Holly tomorrow.
Yes. One thing that I don't even know, how many kilometers are on that bad boy?
204.
204. Okay, so it might not like boost when it gets boost, but
I pulled the valve covers. Valve cover, like, it is clean inside, and the junkyard that I got it off of knew the guy who had engine come out of. Truck was totaled in the car accident. Still ran, everything ran. It's got good compression, but they said the old guy who owned it, maintenance, like oil changes every 5,000, should be a good ripper. If not, dime a dozen at the junkyard.
that's right. What about that?
That come out of a 67 Chevy with a 454 in it. It's been rebuilt. It's got a stage 2 B&M shift kit.
Yep.
So,
And do you know the stall?
no, you didn't know that. The guy just was pretty sure it was an aftermarket torque converter. It's not a stock torque. He figured around 2,800. So
So it'll be happy, no matter what.
especially once we get the cam in this bad boy.
Yeah. Cool. Let's make that fit.
Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna go up just a hair.
in the car. Oh, hold on, Wayne. It's catching on that pickup truck right there. Yep. I broke that zip tie.
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
Yep. Yep. And start coming down. Down, down, down. Basically touch the thing. Yep. And then we'll come back a smidge. Ready?
Okay, now we're hitting the firewall.
Yeah, now keep coming down. Down, 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 down. Keep going. There we go. Okay. That one scared me a smidge.
Okay, tranny's gotta go up underneath.
Yeah, that's gonna turn my alarm off. So, GoPro's full, but we're basically happy with where the engine and trans is sitting in the car. It's gonna be a little tall, but that's more than fine.
It's gonna be deadly. Might have to make a cowl hood for it though, but
Which is more than fine. But it fits, it's straight. We're just gonna tack in our engine mounts, tack them together, pull everything back out. Trans sits good. There's lots of room for turb skis and radiators. There's lots of room back here. We don't need to go further back. We're stoked. Big progress. Are we going to have power steering? That's the real question.
no power steering.
Hard no. Oh well.
Guess we'll just have to get buff.
Yep.
Strong arm it.
That's, I guess, it. Maybe you'll get some welding. Probably not, because we're going to have dinner.
Dinner time
And
get home.
he's got a wife and kids. I don't. Mine made soup. I love you, bye.